Paul Thomason, August 14th, Thursday 2014. We've got some some regular things we're revisiting here with Paul, brushing up on some points that we've worked on before rather than stepping ahead. He's changed a lot of things positively. So today's lesson we're talking about a couple of points, takeaway and also follow through. That was pretty good, wasn't it?
Still a little ride.
Okay, so it's okay for us to break things down and move around into different parts of the swing for different clubs. So we're working primarily on the takeaway for the shorter clubs and the mid irons, which work quite well. Paul, can you show me a follow through practice swing, or just a practice swing with the follow through movement we're talking about here? So driver, the number one thing we're trying to get to happen with driver is getting those arms rotating over and the club face turning and squaring up and trying to get the shaft to rotate the club face back to square. See you, guy. Have a good day. So for Paul, that's the focus with driver. Let's see how this one goes. First one we try to do with the backswing feel for the irons we were working on, made the ball go quite a ways out to the right. Yes, that's much better. That ball there went straight down the centre, maybe a 2-yard draw. Really good. Okay, so Paul, can you grab that 5-iron for me? I just want to do a recap on
that. That way, was that?
Yeah, that was straight. Yeah. Do you feel like it went right to you? Yeah, that was straight. That was good. Let's grab the 5-iron out, mate. Let's have a practice swing here. You actually see where you aimed up in this video. I'm about to send this to you. Even 7-iron's fine. Either club's fine. All I want to can you just show us the takeaway movement we're working on, please, mate? I'm going to send this video to you. So, yeah, the handle's got to stay close to your right leg when you move back, though. That's it there. So what we're trying to do here with the takeaway is to get to stop the club rotating so much at the start. The shaft of the club tends to rotate too early with Paul. Not bad, a little bit to the right. So you can also go back and before, when we had this before, Paul, we were working just on the backswing, and the follow through and downswing was matching up nicely and the ball was going straight. That's going to be a miss. If it misses like that, you've got 3 things to straighten it up. What we talked about inside. So 3 things are the rotation of the arms like the driver. Okay, so the arms are going to rotate through in the follow through. The next thing was the arms are going to lead more coming down. And the final component was what we did on last week's lesson, was the arms being steeper coming at the ball. Okay, good try.